We started developing ASIS, and we started with just the idea that we wanted to control inventory. And we went out there and looked at many different software packages, and I wasn't satisfied with what I saw. And at the time, I wanted to develop my own, so I looked to Oasis to try and help me figure that out.
ASIS began with features that addressed the most critical, the most sources of business pain at Automation Service. But then over time, it expanded so that it was handling all of the ancillary matters of Automation Service in a more integrated way to let the whole company grow in efficiency in thousands of little ways and dozens of major ones over time.
Automation Service gets, I think, a very significant benefit from hiring Oasis Digital to build ASIS instead of trying to use an off-the-shelf ERP system. The big benefit has been customizing everything for their individual needs. Because of the complicated nature of their products that they sell, they really do have to have a system that's very focused on their needs and that provides the right workflow to get everything in the company running smoothly.
ASIS is used from a sales perspective, is used for tracking orders, looking at various parts that we have in inventory, and building up quotes for our clients.
The ASIS quote system, one of the most important modules, encompasses thousands of detailed business rules that specify exactly what combinations of components and combinations of features are possible to build in a given product that Automation Service sells.
With reference quotes, or clients need help with what something means, you could start a quote and send it to them during the conversation, so they're looking at the same thing you're looking at at the same time. I mean, almost within a couple seconds.
The quote system is able to ensure that Automation Service only quotes real products that can really be sold, and it quotes them with realistic, real-world delivery times.
ASIS makes it very easy for us to provide a high level of service to our customers. Again, through the order history, as far as what they're purchasing. We have the ability to track products that they call us about through a serial number, through a date range, through various different means, purchase orders, etc.
It's just easier for clients, if they call in and they need a history of something, or they ordered it a month ago from you and they need to know, what did I order, or what was my, the materials on that. You could send them that information, within a couple minutes.
So it really allows us to be able to do what we need to do and to do it very, very quickly. We can provide a quote in most cases much faster than what any of our competitors can.
Some of the algorithms that we've developed are quite extensive, and even down to the point of how, if someone is going to have a rush order, and we get two customers and there's a rush order and something has to be laid and there's a critical situation, we've even developed an algorithm that states how that will be handled and who is going to get the faux pas or the mistake, knowing that one is going to have to happen.
Quite often there will be a case where a customer will call and they'll need something shipped today. The as-is system allows for a fairly seamless amount of communication and scheduling for a multitude of people and departments to be able to put that together, in the end meet the customer's needs and ship it the day they need it.
ASIS has evolved over the years to be quite elaborate. As it started out as inventory, it has moved into order entry and into bill of materials and many different aspects, helping us manage the customer responses and many different things, and has kind of grown into what we run our company around. We have become heavily reliant upon it, and it's just the essence of how we run our company.
I can't imagine doing what we're doing at this level with this many people without ASIS. Quite frankly, we just couldn't do it with any other system.